One out of every two men or women is diagnosed with cancer across the world. And a study additionally has found that about 5 to 10% of cancers are found out to be hereditary. Yes, cancer is a genetic disease as well. Cancer occurs due to the uncontrolled growth of cells in the body. When these cells grow, they start affecting the healthy cells in the body and cause cancer. It is generally caused by harmful mutations. It may or may not be hereditary. Let's know everything about genetic cancer from an expert. Cancer is caused by mutations in the gene which can affect any part of the body. There are two types of genetic mutations. Acquired mutations are caused by external factors like tobacco, UV radiations, or viruses, which can affect any part of the body, whereas germline mutations pass from one generation to another generation.
The changes in the genes that are inherited or that are passed down in the families can cause a certain type of cancers like breast, colon, ovarian, or prostate cancer. And there is a 50% of chance to pass down these mutations or genes in the family from parents to children. When a person carries these mutations or these changes in the genes, the risk of developing a cancer increases drastically. For example, a woman without any mutation or without any change in BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene carries a general population risk of 12% of development of cancer, while if she carries BRCA1 or BRCA2 mutation, the risk of developing breast cancer increases to 50 to 60%. However, not everyone who is carrying the mutation will develop a cancer. The mutations can be present as a dormant and they can pass down in the generations without disease presentation, but still there is a high risk of developing a cancer. Therefore, it becomes necessary to take the steps to assess the genetic risk. With the advent of molecular technologies, the genetic testing can be done with a simple test that is done on the blood. It is called as genetic test. This test assesses whether the certain genes they are carrying the mutations that can increase the risk of developing a cancer. A person who has developed a cancer should undergo the test, genetic test, to assess whether any of these genes is mutated to know the diagnosis of the disease. And also, if it comes out to be positive, it is important for other family members to be tested to know their risk. A person who has a family member who is affected with a cancer or multiple family members who are affected with the cancer, that can be first degree or extended family members, should also undergo this test. However, it is very important to consult a genetic counselor before undergoing a genetic test. Genetic counseling is an important part of genetic test that is also recommended in the medical guidelines to understand the purpose and the outcome of the tests. The test results can be positive, inconclusive, or negative, and they may have different treatment action plans.
We hope you have a healthy life. Do share this video to spread awareness about genetic cancer, and don't forget to subscribe to SHOWSHA for more such health related content.